How can a DO ever be negative? If you only have one lens or mirror, it can't. The object is in front of the lens or mirror, so DO is positive. The only way you can get a negative is if you have a combination of lenses or mirrors, and the image from the first one overshoots the second lens or mirror. So suppose we have a lens with a focal length of 10 centimeters, we place an object at 15 centimeters, and when you solve the mirror and lens equation, you get DI is 30 centimeters. So all by itself, this lens wants to make an image 30 centimeters away. But what if we put a flat mirror in the way at 20 centimeters? The DO for the lens is 15 centimeters. What's the DO for the mirror? Well, if this distance is 20 centimeters and this distance is 30, then this must be negative 10. Well, if the DO is negative 10 for the mirror, how do we figure out where the image is going to be? Well, graphically, the light is just bouncing off of a flat mirror, so you can tell that this is simply going to bounce off like this, and this is going to bounce off like this, and that's going to bounce straight back, and so this would be your final image. Finding the exact position of that, we can simply use the formula, except for a flat mirror, the focal length is infinite. 1 over infinity is 0. So DO and DI are always just negatives of each other for a flat mirror. So if DO2 is negative 10, DI2 is simply positive 10. And if you had a focal length, you'd simply plug it into the formula.